that supposed to be a straight line? Play dominoes?
This is what you do. And then you move one. Then this one. And then this one. Take that one back. This one. And then this one. And then this one come around. And then this one. And then I'll move. And then he come back to me. This. Hours. He would do that. Now my brother, he had carpets. No, he didn't have carpets. He had blankets. And he'd spend hours building this one. He'd make hills and mountains and stuff. And then he'd put another blanket over the top of it. And he'd put another blanket over the top of it. And then he'd do the same thing. He'd line them all up. And then he'd drive them. Vroom! And he'd drive it over there. And every once in a while I'd step on and go, earthquake! And I'd step on another blanket. I was so mean. It was just because I didn't get the cars to play with. What are you doing?
We're taking pictures.